Are you constantly wondering where your money disappears by the end of the month? The truth is, saving money doesn't always require big sacrifices. It just takes small, consistent habits. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 powerful daily habits that can help you save $500 or more every single month without feeling like you're re-depriving yourself. These are not extreme ideas, just smart, practical routines that actually work in real life. Let's begin with habit number 1. Make your own coffee and breakfast at home. It sounds small, but a daily Mauuak cafe coffee, breakfast sandwich, or snack run adds up quickly. Making coffee at home costs under $1 per cup, and preparing a simple breakfast can be both healthier and far cheaper. Saving just $5 a day means $150 per month. From this one simple shift, imagine redirecting that into your savings or emergency fund. Habit number 2. Bring your own lunch. Buying lunch out can cost anywhere from $10 to $15 per meal, especially in the US. That adds up to $200, $300 per month if you eat out even 4 days a week. Compare that to home-packed meals that can cost just $3, $5, healthy leftovers, sandwiches, rice bowls, or salads. Not only do you save money, but you also eat better and avoid the guilt of constant takeout. Habit number 3. Carry a reusable water bottle and snacks. This habit helps you avoid spending $2, $3 on bottled water or grabbing overpriced snacks from gas stations or vending machines. Multiply that over 20 to 25 days a month, and you've saved $40, $60. Simple but effective, and good for the environment too. Habit number 4. Set a daily spending cap. This one's powerful. Give yourself a daily spending limit, say $10 or $15 in cash. Physically carrying that amount makes you think twice before buying something unnecessary. No credit cards, no mindless Apple Pay taps, just a strict limit that keeps your spending in check and encourages you to prioritize needs over wants. Habit number 5. Meal plan every Sunday. Planning your meals in advance reduces food waste, prevents last-minute takeout, and keeps your grocery bill lean. When you shop without a plan, you're more likely to overspend and buy duplicates or unnecessary snacks. A weekly plan can save you $50 another month on groceries, and even more if you cut back on food delivery. Habit number 6. Unsubscribe from email offers and sale alerts. Those daily 50% OFF or only 24 hours left emails are designed to create urgency and tempt you into unnecessary spending. The best way to resist temptation is to remove it altogether. Unsubscribe from online stores, deal sites, and retail marketing lists. You'll spend less and feel less FOMO, fear of missing out. Habit number 7. Track your spending every single day. Most people underestimate how much they spend. Writing down your daily expenses, either in a notebook or an app like Mint, YNAB, or even just a notes app, helps you stay conscious. You'll quickly spot where your money is leaking. This habit alone creates awareness that leads to savings of $100 or more each month. Habit number 8. Review one small subscription or bill each week. Every week, check your Netflix, Spotify app, subscriptions, or phone internet bills. Ask yourself, do I need this? Can I get a cheaper plan? Call and negotiate, especially for internet and insurance. Most companies offer discounts or promos, but you have to ask. Over time, you could save $30, $100 a month from small reductions you barely notice. Habit number 9. Walk or bike short distances. Fuel prices aren't cheap, and short car trips are surprisingly expensive, especially if you're running errands multiple times a week. Walking or biking saves gas, parking fees, and maintenance costs. If you avoid 3 to 4 short car trips a week, you're saving $20, $40 monthly, plus improving your health. And finally, habit number 10. Set a no-spend time block each day. Choose a part of the day, maybe from 6 p.m. to bedtime, where you commit to spending nothing. No online orders, no food delivery, no browsing Amazon. Just a calm, mindful, money-free window. Over a month, this can curb emotional or boredom spending and save you a lot more than you think. But wait, here's a bonus habit for extra savings. Use cashback and reward apps. Apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, or Honey help you earn money back on purchases you'd already make. Groceries, gas, clothes. Even if you only save $5, $10 a week, that's an extra $20, $40 per month, just by being smart. When you combine these habits, making coffee, bringing lunch, tracking expenses, canceling unused subscriptions, walking more, the savings really add up. Let's do the math. $150 saved from coffee, $200 from lunch, $50 from impulse buys, $100 from budgeting, and $50 more from utilities or gas. That's over $550 a month back in your pocket. That's $6,600 a year. Enough to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or invest. So, tell me, which of these 10 habits will you start today? And have you already tried any of them? Let's chat in the comments below. I'd love to hear your progress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Mauuak Saving Tips, and share this with a friend or family member who needs help saving money daily. I post videos like this regularly to help you build better financial habits, one day at a time.